you put sleeve and pistons in when you're on your own. You have to have pretty good perception, spatial perception though. Now we're just going to drop this into here. Oop. Yeah, I gotta go ahead a little bit. Pull it over that way a little. Not a bit too far. This one's a little bit harder than the rest. Come on back. Okay. Let's try down there. See what happens. No, no good. Come up a little. Oh, you bastard. We'll get off here. Come up here, see what's going on. Oh hell, I'm a long way out. I must be slipping. It is getting light. 10 o'clock at night. I've been going since 8 o'clock this morning. We'll just go ahead a little bit. There. That might do it. Let's give it another try. Yeah, there we go. I gotta have to slide down there. That magnet's doing a wonderful job. That's putting the sleeve and piston in one go. Now I just have to jog a little bit so the bottom line's up. There we are. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, but give it another little jiggle here. Oh, there we go. Down the next little step. I'll just stand over here and work the lever. How's that? One more. There we go. It's going in. It's going in. There we are. Now we'll let the magnet off. Wonderful thing, that third hand. And we'll get that up out of my way so I don't hit my head on it. And that's how you put sleeve and piston in on your own. Of course, I'm lucky with this, is the Scania has steel pistons. They're quite a unique looking piston there. Anyway, that's it. Bye.